Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we simplify complex concepts and help you ace your exams. Today, we're diving into solving techniques for finding the value of x, an essential skill for the Oxford admission test. So grab your pen and let's solve it step by step. The Oxford admission test often includes algebraic problems like this one, 3x plus 5 equals 20. Finding the value of x is about isolating it on one side of the equation. Let's start with the basics. Subtract 5 from both sides. 3x plus 5 minus 5 equals 20 minus 5. 3x equals 15. Divide both sides by 3, x equals 15 divided by 3, x equals 5. Simple, right? Always perform inverse operations to isolate x. Let's move to a slightly more complex example. Now, let's tackle a quadratic equation. When dealing with equations like this, your goal is to set it to 0 first. Rearrange 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 equals 0. Factorize, if possible, or use the quadratic formula. Here, factorization might be tricky, so let's use the quadratic formula x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Where a equals 2, b equals negative 4, c equals negative 6. Substitute values. X equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 6, all over 2 times 2. X equals 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 plus 48, all over 4. X equals 4 plus or minus the square root of 64, all over 4. Solve x equals 4 plus or minus 8, all over 4. X equals 3 or x equals negative 1. Here we have two solutions. X equals 3 and x equals negative 1. Quadratic equations often have two values for x, so don't forget to check both. For simultaneous equations, solve by substitution or elimination. Let's use substitution here. From the first equation y equals 10 minus x, substitute y into the second equation, 2x minus 10 minus x equals 5. 2x minus 10 plus x equals 5. 3x equals 15, x equals 5. Find y equals 10 minus 5. Y equals 5. By solving, we find x equals 5 and y equals 5. Always double-check your solutions by plugging them back into the original equations. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips for solving x-related problems in the Oxford admission test. Understand the question. Read it carefully to identify the type of equation. Simplify early. Combine like terms and reduce complexity. Practice time management. Allocate time wisely and skip overly complex problems to revisit later. Use scratch work. Write down all steps to avoid errors. Verify answers. Check your solutions wherever possible. And that's how you tackle finding the value of x for the Oxford admission test. Remember, practice is key to mastering these techniques. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more math tips and tricks. Good luck with your test and see you next time.